Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to discuss the rest part of the earliest cities chapter. So, in the last class, we discussed about the Harappan civilization. Here, also, we are going to discuss about their crafts, their raw materials, how they collect their raw materials from which places, their food, and the people of their cities, how they collect food. And also we discuss about the closer look in town in Gujarat. So all these I have prepared in a one page so that you can understand in a better way. First of all, this portion is the last class portion. Harappan civilization developed about 4700 years ago. It's divided into two parts: citadel or upper part, citadel or lower part. Wall bricks were laid in interlocking patterns. They made their wall by bricks and were laid in interlocking patterns so that one can hang another. We also found the great bath of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro has a great bath. People used to take bath in this place, but there were some system that people take water and then do bath in a particular place. No one go to the pond directly. So it was a proper systematic system. Also, we found their drainage system was very developed. All the kitchens and bathrooms were connected with their city drain, and the drain was connected with river. Kalibangan and Latal had a fire altars. From these we can understand that they used to sacrifice animals in there. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal had, these all are sites. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal had elaborated storehouses. There are some storehouses which is called granary house. Also, you can say granary house. It means that as we collect paddies done from the field, then we keep it in a particular place. This is called, in our language we can say it's barar or anything, but in the English also you can say it is a granary house or storehouse. So they used to store their foods in a particular place so that they can eat in the unseasoned time. They can eat throughout the year. Terracotta toys also found in the Harappan sites. From these we can understand that terracotta toys were used in that time. Harappan seals were now we are going to discuss about the Harappan seals. Harappan seals were made in rectangular shape, and also it is animal carved on them. If you can see the picture on your book, cotton were probably grown in Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago. Now we can understand their metals, how they collect and from where they collect the metals to use, because metal is a thing which is not found in a particular place. All kinds of metals, if you found iron in a particular place, then you will found copper in another place. All the things will not found in a particular in one place. So they collect copper from the present day of Rajasthan and Oman. Tin was used to with the alloy of tin and copper, bronze can be made. So they collect tin from present day of Afghanistan and Iran. Gold is collected from the present day of Karnataka, and precious stones which is used in house or in ornaments, these stones are collected from present day of Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Harappan, their foods. Harappan, this now I am going to discuss about this part, their foods. I just collected, you see, their raw materials. I just discussed about the raw materials. This one is given there. I am just precising it so that you can understand in a better way. And now I am discussing food for people in the cities. So Harappan people used to grow wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed, and mustard. These things they used to grow. In the Harappan side, this type of sheets were found, and also they reared cattle, sheep, goat, and buffaloes. This type of animals they reared. From this they collect milks and they eat their meats also. One thing in the this portion, Dalavira is a site in Gujarat, was divided into three parts. This one is a Harappan site in Gujarat. It was divided into three parts, and each part has a gate system, and each part has a massive stone wall in the surrounding, and there was a in between the wall, in between their houses, there was one plain open places from where they used to trade or do something. They or arrange their functions and everything. So these things are in this chapter. I just precise it, you can understand, but no need to write it. If you want to read, then take the screenshot of this page and you can learn it easily and you can memorize it. And your question answer will be given after a few days. Thank you.